we started this program back in 2009, and the concept at the time was to build a cool police car that doesn't exist anywhere else and take it to the high schools in Oxnard and just kind of give presentations to the students to stay out of gangs, don't do graffiti, stay away from drugs. Do those presentations during lunch periods or assemblies, and we actually started out doing that. But I tell you, the one day that I asked one of the students that I had seen somewhere at an event if they remembered the car, they said, "No, I don't. I'm sorry, but we were at their school," and that really triggered something. I said, "We got to do more. No one's remembering this." So we said, let's open up a shop where students can come and actually learn something.
For me, the best part for doing drag was like you get to learn new things, you get to work on cars, mostly like hands-on. Doing drag like is good for you. Like instead of being like out in the street like doing bad things, like the drag program helps you out. Like to do something like out with your life, like get something good out for your career. Like if I would have known about it earlier, I would have joined like from the beginning since freshman year.
Something about cars just caused me, and I've always liked cars since I was little. So the drag program with the cars that they have, it interested me when I saw their posters. The most exciting part about drag is probably like the friends that I met here, because before I didn't know any of them, and now like we're all close, and even though we graduated from the program, we still get together and hang out and do stuff like related to cars, or just hang out actually.
Learned as much as I can. I mean, my family passed down the art of moto for me for years, so I've been around motors a lot, but I want to learn a lot more, and I really like the staff, and I'm really excited. My father, he's actually a mechanic, so and also for dirt bikes and quads and all that other good jazz. But it actually along the line of my dad's side of my family, his dad, and then his dad's dad, and we're all mechanics, and so I know it's always been in my blood, and ever since he introduced it to me, I've just been so really passionate about motors. It's a new environment for me, it's a new experience. I've never really done something like this before, so I'm just looking forward for the experience and the skills, really.
And it's fun to see, it really is, to see the outcome. And then come graduation, wow, that's our rewarding system at the end of the year, is to see our kids that could have been doing other things out there move on to something better.